This tutorial is going to show you how to turn in your poetry movie project for grading, as well as how to put it onto your portfolio, which each of the members of your group will need to do separately in order to get the points on their portfolio. You can see here I have SlideRocket pulled up, and I have this pretend poetry presentation, so many of you are familiar with how that looks. If you go into your share function, you'll see that most presentations are private. This one I changed to public. And both of these you're going to use. This is where you're going to get the public link to turn it in, and this is where you're going to get the HTML code to put on your portfolio. So to get the public link, you click here, and that's the link you want to copy and paste. You can just click copy link, and then when you are on my website, go to URL TurnIn and fill out the form just like you have been. Only this time you're going to say what is being turned in, and you're going to say poetry movie project, and you're going to paste the URL. It's going to put your section, your last name, your first name. You can put your group's names or just one person, that's enough. And then you're going to hit submit, and then it's going to come to me on that spreadsheet, and I will have everybody's to show from one designated spot. The other thing you need to do is you need to also put it on your portfolio for grading there. So you're going to get the embed code, and you have several different sizes you can choose from. So if I wanted it to be nice and big on my portfolio, I could click that, and if I wanted a border around it, I'd click that. And then I'm going to copy and paste this code, or just click copy code. Go to your portfolio, and in the multimedia tab, when you click on that, make sure that you go into editing mode on that page. And you're going to just simply delete all the directions. And remember, you click on the little HTML and just paste it in there. Hit update, and the gadget will appear, and then you can make the gadget centered. Go back into properties, and I usually just say to make it 100% of the width, and then depending on how high you want it, you could change that. Do you want a scroll bar around it? Do you want a border? What do you want to put for a title on the gadget? And you might just call it Poetry Movie Project. Click OK. And you won't see it until you hit save. And voila, your SlideRocket presentation or your poetry movie is now on your multimedia page. And you might just want to click it and make sure it works. Once again, it needs to be public so that when I click on it, I can see it as well. So that is how you're going to turn it in for grading, as well as put it on your portfolio to get the points there as well.